Cut some Hillshire Farm sausages into quarters. When making fried rice, make sure you have all your ingredients prepped and ready to go. Once the sausages have browned sufficiently, place them on the side. Remember, throughout this process, do not wash the wok. You want to keep it seasoned with all the different delicious flavors. So here we're going to add a tablespoon of cooking oil and 1 beaten egg with a pinch of salt. Okay, flip your egg and then break them into smaller pieces. Okay, and set them on the side. Add a tablespoon of cooking oil to the wok. Throw in your diced onions. Throw in your green onions. Give it a little stir to combine them. You want to cook your onions until they become translucent, nice and fragrant. Place your peas and carrots into the wok. Add your rice. And remember to keep the rice in the fridge overnight. The rice must be cold going in. Add your egg and Hillshire Farm sausage. Season with a little ginger, onion powder, garlic powder, some sesame oil, some low sodium soy sauce, and start combining. This smells so good. You want to break up the rice just a little bit. Add some more soy sauce to give it a nice color. Remember, do not season the rice with too much seasonings because the soy sauce is very salty. What I'm doing here is stirring it to get most of the rice nice and brown, to absorb that soy sauce color. Plate it up. And there you go, the money shot. I hope you enjoyed the video. Give you two different shots of the meal. Bite into